Hello guys, I'm Carrie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will share my unique experience and tips for TOEFL Home Edition. At first, I registered to take the test at the end of April. But because of the COVID-19, I have to postpone it to the end of May. I was so nervous at the beginning because this was new to me. I didn't know if I had the right setup for the test, and I couldn't get any related experiences from my friends or classmates. I was able to find only a few videos about TOEFL Home Edition on the internet, so I read the instruction on ETS's website pretty carefully. I suggest you do the same things at the beginning. When preparing for the at-home test, I noticed two things. First, we aren't allowed to use pens or papers, but they are important for taking notes. Some people may want to use transparent sheet instead of whiteboard. I tried them before, but my writing on them were hard to read, so I suggest using a whiteboard. Try to prepare many fine-tip dry erasable markers. Here are my markers. I bought them 1 month before the test and practice using them. Don't buy normal size tip markers. They are too thick. When you buy markers, also buy an eraser. It's easier to erase notes with it on a whiteboard. Second, we aren't allowed to drink or eat during the test. I wouldn't eat since it may distract myself, but wanted to drink a little bit of water during the test. So I prepared a glass of water. Here's the picture. It was totally transparent. I put it on the desk so the proctor could see it when she checked my desk. In fact, the proctor didn't say anything about it, so I could drink some water during the test. Before a few days of the test, I checked my computer again, just in case something went wrong. The ETS website showed my computer didn't meet some requirements, although it said my computer met all the requirements 1 month ago. Remember to double-check your computer and internet connection. I was about to use an external microphone for speaking, but decided not to use it because I also found some technical issues with it. In my opinion, I feel it's better to get rid of anything that could go wrong during the test, as long as they aren't necessary for the test. Before we move on, please share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Let's continue. I was worrying about I did something wrong when the proctor starts checking my environment. Turns out there was no need to worry too much. The proctor was very kind and patient, and she guided me to do all the checking. Here's what happened. At the beginning of the test, there were a few steps that I had to do on my computer to give permission to the proctor. After that, the proctor asked to check my environment. Make sure there was nothing related to the desk around you. That means not on the desk, under the desk, or near the desk. Here's a picture of my desk on that day. I wanted to make sure the test went smoothly, so I followed every rule listed on the ETS website. The proctor was indeed thorough. She checked every single detail, including my hands, arms, and glasses. So I'm glad I was well prepared. Usually, I prefer to use my computer at a certain angle, but I didn't pay attention to whether my whole face could be seen through the camera. During the writing part of the test, I changed my computer a little bit to a more comfortable angle for myself. But I didn't notice my face was half out of the camera, so the proctor asked me to adjust the computer so that she could see my whole face. I was a little distracted by that. Time's tight in writing, but I was lucky. It only took me less than a minute to fix this. If you're going to do the test at home using a laptop like I did, I suggest checking the camera to find out which angle will allow the proctor to see your whole face, and make sure you get comfortable with that angle when viewing your screen. Oh, just one more thing. There was a 10-minute break during the test. I went out of the room to eat some snack. TOEFL took me a lot of energy, but I went back as early as possible. Indeed, the proctor asked to check my environment again when there was still 1.5 minutes of the break. So remember to go back to your room as early as possible. After 5 days, I got the test result from ETS. I got 100 at my first time for taking TOEFL. Hope you find this video helpful and good luck for your test. Please share my videos and subscribe to my channel to help me make English learning available to everyone. Don't forget to hit the bell button. I will bring you a new video in a few days. Thank you for watching. See ya!